Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. I am MD Rafsanjani Shanto from Ashulia, Dhaka. I completed my SSC examination at Holy Crescent School, achieving a GPA 5 out of 5. Subsequently, I completed my HSC at Milestone College, also achieving a GPA 5 out of 5. Currently, I am studying software engineering at Daffodil International University. I have passed 5 semesters now. Now I am 6th semester. As a student here, I am deeply immersed in the vibrant academic atmosphere and diverse community that this estimated institution offers. As a software engineering student at Daffodil International University, my career goal is to become a proficient and innovative software developer. I am deeply passionate about creating robust, efficient, and user-friendly software solutions that address real-world problems and enhance the lives of people. I choose software engineering because it allows me to combine my love of technology with my desire to make positive impact on the world. It is a field that challenges me intellectually, rewards me creative, and empowers me to contribute to something greater than myself. My extracurricular activities include participating in programming competitions, contributing to open source projects, attending tech workshops and seminars, engineering with tech communities, and completing online courses and certifications. Thank you for your time.